Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So how are you all? So kids got summer holidays, so today we are doing very small barbecue, very small barbecue only for family. So guys, I'm showing you what I'm cooking. So guys, I'm going to marinate the chicken wing first for the barbecue. So first I'm going to put the garlic, crushed garlic, fish soy sauce. This is the fish soy sauce. I'm going to put about 1.5 teaspoon. Then soya sauce, about 1.5 teaspoons. Some crushed pepper and some lemon. Then I'm going to mix properly. So guys, don't need to put any salt because soya sauce and fish sauce got very high salt. Then I'm going to put this on the side. First I'm going to put little bit oil. 1 teaspoon of the tandoori powder. 1 teaspoon of the chilli powder. Then I'm going to use the peri peri spice. Mix with herbs. About 1/2 teaspoon. So this flavor will be peri peri chicken. 1 spoon of the salt and some lemon. Then I'm going to mix all together. So this is the peri peri chicken flavor ready. So I'm going to put it in one side about half an hour. So next I'm making the spicy potato. So I'm going to peel the skin first. Then I'm going to boil the potato. So guys, this potato is ready. So I'm going to drain the water now. So guys, I need to cut the potatoes like that. Put fry pan. Then I'm going to add the mustard oil. Then I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of the cumin seed. Then going to put the dry chilli. Fry 2 minutes. Then going to put the onion. Let it brown. So guys, I'll just put the tomatoes. Chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Little bit coloring powder. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Then mix all together. Then add the salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Then I'm going to add little bit water. Then let it cook till the masala cook. We need to cook little bit tomato till it's soft. So guys, you can see the masala is ready. Then I'm going to add the potatoes. Then mix all together. Then I'm going to add little bit garam masala. This is the Thai chili. I'm going to add 2 of them. Then mix. So guys, this is a very very quick recipe. This is a spicy potato. Then I'm going to put the lid on till the fry. So guys, you can see it's ready. It's all fried. So in this case, you check the salt. If you less the salt, you can add the salt. This is ready now. This is called aloo dum as well, or spicy fried potatoes. So guys, same time I'm doing barbecue here in the garden. This is the chicken wing. Jaden playing here. Say hello, Jaden. And George here. I don't know, all kids are missing. Some are upstairs. So next I'm making very spicy orange salad. 2 garlic cloves, and I took 2 red chili, very spicy. Put little bit of salt, or half teaspoon. So I'm going to crush. So I took about 4 oranges. This is not very sweet. This is little bit tangy. So I'm going to cut off in 2 pieces like this. So I cut 2 pieces like that. Then easily you can take the skin like this. Then clean. Then you can make this singly like this. So guys, you can see I cut it like that. Then I'm going to add the chili and garlic. Just mix. Then I'm going to add little bit lemon juice. Then mix all together. So guys, this is our very spicy orange salad ready. Very tangy, very spicy. So guys, this is our dinner ready. This is a spicy orange salad, and this is a mixed salad. And this is a spicy potato or aloo dum, and this is a barbecue. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, everyone take care. Bye bye.